David, I'm so excited to have you at KBIS 2026, and I want to bring you over to the kitchen, okay?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at Zero Clearance Hinges. And we introduced Zero Clearance Hinges in a lot of refrigerators a couple of years ago, and we're gonna keep growing that. We love the fact that we've got this display that can show how Zero Clearance Hinges can actually be used. Of course, you only need 1/8 of an inch of space for Zero Clearance Hinges to work. But let's say you have a wall, David, that's sticking out on the side like that. This makes it real easy to ensure your refrigerator can fit practically anywhere.
Wow.
I know, isn't that amazing?
It is amazing.
Yeah, because otherwise you're never able to open your doors. We're also showing off our newest water dispensers here, water and ice dispenser, and a brand new look that makes it even easier to use. We'll have multiple ice dispensers available, so we'll have craft ice, crushed ice, cubed ice available all the way through our line. I can't wait for you to see what's launching over the next couple of years, but here's a preview of it. Let's go on to the next section.